Scorpios, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of August, starting from 15th till 31st of August. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies in this reading for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Okay, so let's get started with your reading now for my Scorpios. Mid-August 2021, Sun, Moon, Venus and Rising. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. If you want to DM me, you can DM me over there. Okay. The obstacle for you in the mid-month is the 7 of Wands, and the overall energy for you is the 5 of Cups. Okay. So it seems like a decision making which is making you feel like whether I have taken a good decision or a bad decision, whether it is right or wrong. You are going through a tough place. That is what I'm really getting. With obstacle for you as a 7 of Wands, it is looking to me like, you know, you're really fighting for something. You are fighting for your beliefs. You can be fighting for someone else, your relationship. You are telling that you are right to the world. You mean that, but it seems like no one is listening. Everyone is focused in the negative side of yours. You are trying to tell everyone whatever you have done with the person or whatever the situation, whatever the thing, the decision you have done is right for you. You are trying to explain many people, but people are not listening to you. You might be explaining this to your person as well. 3 of Cups in the back of the energies. More energies for you. What is going on? 6 of Swords, Tower, 10 of Swords, 9 of Wands, 4 of Cups. Okay, yeah. It feels like you are really at a place of, you know, like a third party situation you might be going through, where you are like, you know, you are moving ahead of something. You are moving ahead. You are not going to look back. Something tragic might have happened in your life. This could be a betrayal. Something big has happened in your life, and that is why your head is there. Your mind is still there in the past somewhere, and the decisions made by you are making you feel like, you know, whether I have done, it's like questioning your own decisions. That is what you are going through. You are feeling stuck at the situation. You are not able to move. Very immovable energy is coming up for you, Scorpios. We'll clarify it. In the past, we have Page of Pentacles, Justice, the Empress. As I already told you, yes, there was a situation where you have to take a decision in regards with right or wrong. And that is why whatever decision at that time, whatever decision you have made, you felt like, okay, everything is fine. You really wanted to see yourself over there. You wanted that, no, I am right. Okay, you thought that you were right. At present, you have the 9 of Cups, King of Wands and the Page of Cups. It's like you have already reached a place. Because of that decision, you feeling that you have achieved like, you know, you are in the top of the world. You have achieved a lot in your life, and now you are really wanting to move forward. But it's some people around you or somebody around you which is trying, or who is trying to pull you back from that situation, whatever the decisions you have made. In the coming future, we have the 10 of Pentacles, the Fool, and the 3 of Pentacles. I don't see you going back. I see you going towards a new beginning. It can be a beginning with somebody new, somebody old, like a family thing. Okay, you are really in a cooperation mode. I don't see See, at present, you might be questioning your beliefs, you might be questioning your decisions, people might be forcing you to question, but I don't see that in you. It's like people are trying to pull you down, but actually, you're very strong already. No matter whatever the person says, or no matter whatever the people say to you, you're perfect. That is what is coming up. So let's clarify your reading for my Scorpios, please. So tell me more about the Seven of Wands. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands and the obstacle energy for my Scorpios. Nine of Wands, Ten of Wands, and the Tower. See, it seems like there was the decisions, the problems from which you are going through has still affected you a lot, or still affecting you a lot. And this is because people are trying to, you are feeling that there are some kind of blockages in front of you, you are not able to accept some things, but it's just the outer force which is trying to make you feel that way. I don't see you, from inside you really want to be happy, but the situation is not making you happy. Tell me more about the Five of Cups. See, Nine of Cups is here. Nine of Cups, Queen of Swords, and Two of Swords. Gratitude. You are showing gratitude. You are really, you are not in that zone where you are thinking emotionally about a situation. You are more practical now for the situation, for the decision making. Although you still have some doubts, but you know that the decision making is done right. And you are ready to cut people off, even if that needs something, like if you really want to be happy, if you are thinking about your happiness, you are ready for ending, you're ready to cut people off in that situation. You are like, I'm alone, I will go forward, I do not need anyone at this time, because people will judge you. Yeah, judgment is there, judgment energies. It's like, no matter whatever you do, how much good you are, people will always judge you, Scorpios. So let's see your past energies. Tell me more about the Empress. Why the Empress energy is here in the past. Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and Ten of Cups. Yeah. It seems like somebody actually put you in an option zone where you were the option for someone, but for you it was, or they were priority. A situation where you felt like an option, a situation where you felt like, I am the second one, I'm not the first one for them. Why? Something like that. And this made you like heartbroken. It was like a big ending for you. It was like, what happened? Why are you doing this to me? I gave you everything. Why did you do this? You still are asking some questions. Tell me more about the Nine of Cups in the present. Nine of Swords, Death, and the Queen of Wands. I knew that. This Nine of Cups is not the happiness with someone, it's the happiness with yourself. It's happiness like, no matter how much you love a person, no matter how much you give time to them, they will always try to end things with you. And this ending brought a new you. This ending brought a new Scorpio from inside and outside. And now you are like, no one can compete me. I am on my own. Now people are trying to connect with you, other people. They want to be with you. Because you don't care about anyone now. You only care about yourself. Tell me more about the Fool in the future energies? Why the Fool energy is here? Knight of Pentacles, Judgment, and Page of Pentacles. Yeah, I see slow energies towards something. There's a new beginning coming up your way, Scorpios. I don't see this is somebody from the past. I see this is a new person for which you are also trying to, you might be taking some risks in life. You might be like, okay, let's enter into new things, because the stability in terms of money, in terms of finances, you are getting those. You are already working for that energy. You are already working for that. And now in terms of love, you are not doing anything. It's the universe who is doing for you. So you might be meeting somebody new. There might be something, people might be questioning you again. So do not be afraid for that. People will always, whatever you do, people will always question you. Always remember that. Tell me more about the Three of Pentacles in the future energies. Two of Cups, Two of Wands, and Five of Pentacles. Yeah, so a big decision making is coming your way, Scorpios. It can be because of a date. You might be going on a date with someone. You might be you need to choose between two people. You might be choosing between two options, like in career wise also. You have to leave one situation. You have to. There are decision makings. This thing has not ended yet, Scorpios, whatever situation you are in. It's like a beginning kind of a thing. Problems will come your way. It's how you are going to deal with them. Problems will always come. But I don't see big major issues, honestly. It's more like options coming your way, two things coming your way, and you are choosing one thing out of the two. These kind of situations might be coming your way. So just stay tuned and just be like the Seven of Wands, because a person who is like this, it's like fighting for their own beliefs, fighting for themselves, fighting for what they think is right, not what other people think it's right. Something like that. Alright, so that is all from my side, Scorpios. I hope that helps, and we're going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.